Local 10 News starts right now.
Right now at 5:30, jurors are about to begin deliberating in the case of a tourist who was run over on Fort Lauderdale Beach. The victim suffered multiple injuries after being run over by that ocean rescue truck.
Now she's suing the city. Local 10's Terrell Forney has been following this one and joins us live with what happened in court today. Terrell.
Well, the jury actually just got their hands on the case, so those deliberations have now started. But this all comes down to a discrepancy on the type of injuries that this woman, the victim in this case, claims to have. She says that she has crush type of injuries because of the tires from that ocean rescue vehicle. But the defendant in this case, the city, says that those tires never actually touched her.
Scarring, white scarring, and then fine lines under my elbow.
Rinda Mizelle shows off the injuries to a jury today that she says still plagues her body 6 years later.
When you stop oozing and bleeding, even then as I was healing, you can see those tire treads in my arm, those marks.
The marks, according to Mizelle, are from the tires of a Fort Lauderdale Fire Ocean Rescue SUV, which rolled over the tourist as she lay on the sand in April of 2012, while a pair of shorts covered her face. Mizelle, a teacher, was with her family visiting South Florida from North Carolina at the time.
By assessing the patient and what logically could have happened, the tires were in rotation.
The paramedic, though, who treated Mizelle on that day was called as a witness by the defense, which is the city of Fort Lauderdale, an entity that takes great issue with the extent of the injuries the woman claims.
Abrasions, possible burns.
And you did not describe this?
Absolutely not.
And how bad she's actually suffering comes down to medical records since the time of the accident and expert testimony from a doctor who opened the door to a possibility of exaggerated claims. The jury, though, will have the final say if the city should pay Mizelle's medical bills, attorney fees, and more.
I don't understand how it couldn't get better. I mean, it's horrible when you're first run over. It gets better over time, true.
And so now this civil case continues. Those jurors, again, 6 jurors in all, they are now deliberating in private. But the judge presiding over this case says that he plans to go well into the night, at least, to wrap things up with this case. So we will certainly keep you updated as far as the outcome. Reporting live from Fort Lauderdale, I'm Terrell Forney, Local 10.